Next question is regarding electoral bonds. An electoral bond is a very important current affair for your coming prelims, because last year's budget 2017-18 have announced the electoral budget, and very recently the union government have come with the detailed finer details of electoral bonds. And recently electoral bonds were like issued, and or those the people who want to invest in electoral bonds have invested, and so all these processes have happened in the financial year 2017-18. So because of that, electoral bonds as a concept is very important for you. So before answering this question, it's a 3-statement question, we will have an idea about electoral bonds. Now very recently the government, so it was announced in budget 2017-18. So very recently the government have notified the scheme of electoral bonds, basically aimed to clean the political funding in the country. The broad features are very important. First is that it is a bearer instrument. Okay, bearer instrument have certain features like it will be functioning like a promissory note, like a rupee notes. Okay, and this, since, see, don't get confused with the word bond. Even though it is a term has been given as bond, it is not providing any interest. So it is not an interest bearing instrument, it's an interest free banking instrument. Okay, so electoral bond is a bearer instrument like a promissory note, and it is an interest free banking instrument. That's a very key word, it's an interest free banking instrument. So don't get confused with the, we have studied till now bond has interest rate, but this bond, electoral bond, is an interest free banking instrument. It is only a banking instrument. Okay, so it means that it can be purchased by the bank only, and it can be deposited in the, means if you want to redeem it, that also can be done through banks only. So it is a banking instrument which is interest free. And who are eligible to purchase this bond? An Indian resident or a body incorporated in India. So Indian resident or a body incorporated in India can only purchase this bond. That's a very important point to be noted down. Then this bond will be having a value of multiples of 1000. Bond will be in the multiples of 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh and 1 crore. So the multiples of this will be there, and it can be purchased only from the specified branches of SBI. So be very clear. Okay, only in this recently only the government have said that, okay, in the budget it said that only from the selective banks, but when it was notified, when the scheme was notified, it said that from the specified branches of State Bank of India, from State Bank of India, presently State Bank of India only, from the State Bank of India only you can purchase this bond, that too from the specified branches of the State Bank of India. That's a very important point to be noted down. Now the purchaser would be allowed to buy electoral bonds only if he fulfill certain KYC norms, and he can make payment. If you want to purchase bond, he have to make payment through his bank account only. So through, not in cash form, but through bank payment only, by giving his purchasers KYC norms. Now an important point is that the bond will not, means it will not mention the name of the payee. So it is hidden. The payee's name is hidden. It will not. It's a very important point to note down. The bond will not mention the name of the payee, and it will be having a validity of 15 days. So within 15 days, the political party to whom this bond will be given by the purchaser have to, within this 15 days, this after purchasing the electoral bond, it should be given to the political party's bank account. Now all political parties can't can't use the electoral bond. Only registered political party coming under the section 29A of Representation of the People Act 1951, and who in the recent election, in the recent general election, that it can be to the Lok Sabha or to the assembly election, and this registered political party should have got at least 1% of the total votes. Only a registered political party who have polled at least 1% of the total votes can take this bond or can use this bond. So registered political party under section 29A of the Representation of the People Act, and who have got 1%, at least 1% of the votes in the recent general election, it can be Lok Sabha election or assembly election, can only use this bond. So that's another very important point. Then, so it said that okay, there are in the month of January, April, July and October, only in this month, that too in the for a period of 10 days only, this scheme will be available and it will be notified by the central government, and during the general election period additional 30 days shall be specified by the central government during the general election period, and this electoral bond can be encashed by the eligible political party only. So the eligible political party are registered political party which have got at least 1% of votes. So this bond can be encashed by an eligible political party only through a designated bank account. So again, so first of all, the purchaser of the bond, he have to make payment through his bank account, and the eligible political party can encash this bond only through their bank account, that too with the authorized bank. So these are the basic things you need to be very clear about electoral bonds. They are very, very important for your coming prelims. I will try to solve the question. Only a citizen of India or a body incorporated in India will be eligible to purchase the bond. That's a correct statement. Electoral bonds would be issued or purchased from the specified branches of any scheduled commercial bank. Here the keyword is any. So that's a wrong statement. Not from any scheduled commercial bank. Only presently, as per the recent notification by the central government, only from the specified branches of the State Bank of India. So second statement is wrong. So if you know that second statement is wrong, you can eliminate A, you can eliminate B, you can eliminate D also. The answer will come as 1 and 3 only. Now we will read the third statement. Electoral bonds would have a life of only 15 days, during which it can be used for making donation. So answer here is 1 and 3 only.